Data within your spreadsheet can easily be displayed as a chart or graph, making it easier to interpret. Select the data you want to display. In our case, we'll select pet type and age. Under the Insert tab, choose the type of graph or chart you'd like to use. The chart is displayed along with 3 new ribbon tabs that let us make changes to the chart. The Chart Tools Design tab is where we can change the colour and style of the chart, or even change to a different type of chart. There is also a button for moving the chart to its own worksheet. The Layout tab lets us choose what additional information is displayed on the chart. We can have a chart title, axis title, and we can show the figures above each bar. The Format tab has more tools for adjusting the styles, colours, and alignment of the various chart elements. Together, the 3 Chart Tools tabs offer a huge number of options to customise the look of your chart. Notice that you are still able to sort, filter and change your data, and the chart will update dynamically. Pivot tables are useful for summarising large amounts of complex data. A pivot table can automatically sort, count, and total the data stored in a worksheet and display it in a new worksheet. First, select the data to be used. And from the Insert tab, choose Pivot Table. We're asked to confirm the range of data used, where the table will be displayed, and then choose the fields that will be used to create the table. We'll choose the student's name, type of pet, and the pet's weight in kilograms. The Pivot Table field list allows us to organise our information in different ways. We'll move the pet type into columns. We can have the pivot table display the average weight of our pets by choosing Value Field Settings. Now we can see, for example, that the dog's weights range from 5 to 20 kilos, with an average of 13.75 kilos. The functions of the table can be changed with the Pivot Table Tools Options tab. The formatting of the table can be altered with the Design tab. The Insert tab contains tools for placing clip art, shapes and pictures in our spreadsheet. To insert an image file, click on Picture. Choose the image and click Insert. The picture opens to full size, but we can resize it to fit within the spreadsheet by moving the blue handles around the edges. The corner handles will alter the height and width at the same rate, so the image is not distorted. The square handles in the middle of the edges change the size in just one direction, which gives the effect of stretching the image. The picture can also be rotated using the green handle on the top. We can add many different styles and effects to the picture using the Picture Tools Format tab. Using clip art follows a similar process, except that we use a search window and enter a keyword to find the image. To use a shape, click on Shapes in the Insert tab and choose a shape from the menu. Then, to place the shape, click and drag within the spreadsheet. From here, the shape can be resized and manipulated using the Drawing Tools Format tab. We can protect our worksheet so that changes can't be made without first entering a password. To do this, right-click on the worksheet and choose Protect Sheet. Now we choose which functions will be protected and enter a password. We can encrypt the whole workbook using the Office button menu. Using this menu, we can restrict access, add a digital signature, and inspect the document for hidden data that we may want to remove before making a spreadsheet public. Data within your spreadsheet can easily be displayed as a chart or graph, making it easier to interpret. The 3 Chart Tools tabs offer a huge number of options to customize the look of your chart. Pivot tables are useful for summarizing large amounts of complex data and allow us to organize our information in several different ways. Pictures, clip art, and shapes can be added to worksheets. Worksheets can be password protected. Workbooks can be encrypted.